fire is one of the worst things that can happen to a home. So I'm going to skip the sales pitch and just tell you how selling a fire damaged house in California actually works. Because the biggest problem isn't the damage, it's that most buyers and most agents have no idea what they're dealing with. I'm Adam Justiniano with Quick Home Offers. We've been buying houses, condos, multifamily, and land across California since 2013, over 300 properties. That includes fire-damaged homes in Lompoc and inherited properties out in Bakersfield. So this is a situation we have actually closed on, not one we read about. There's 3 points here. Number one, no bank will finance it. Here's the first thing that nobody tells you. A traditional buyer needs a mortgage, and no bank will lend on a house that's been through a fire until it's fully repaired and re-inspected. So the second your home has fire damage, almost every retail buyer disappears. Not because they don't want it, but because their lender says no. That leaves you with cash buyers, and that's a much smaller buy pool, which is exactly why the offers people get feel so all over the place. Number two, the cost you can't see from the curb. So what's a cash buyer actually pricing in? Way more than burned drywall. Here's one that surprises almost everyone. California requires an asbestos survey before major demolition or renovation, even on a single family home. That's a state worker safety rule, and it catches people completely off guard. Then there's clearing the lot if it's a total loss. Here are our own numbers. That runs anywhere from about $18,000 to $35,000, and it usually lands around $20,000 to $30,000. That's before a single new board goes up. So when someone hands you a low offer, it's often those hidden costs talking. The honest ones will show you the math. The rest will just lowball you and hope you don't ask. Number three, was it declared a disaster? One more fork that changes everything. Was your fire a single structure fire or part of a larger wildfire? The governor declared a disaster. Because if it's declared a disaster, California has special property tax protections that can genuinely save you money. But they're easy to get wrong. That's exactly the kind of thing to ask before you sign anything. We've helped homeowners in situations like these across the Central Coast, and the pattern's always the same. The more you understand before you talk to a buyer, the better your outcome will be. Here's what we do differently. When we make an offer on a fire-damaged home, we break it down. What the rebuild costs, what clearing runs, what the timeline looks like, and what's left for you. There's no mystery number. Here is an example. Take a fire-damaged home we bought in Lompoc. We bought it as is, exactly how it stood after the fire, so the owner didn't have to spend $1 on repairs or cleanup. We then rebuilt it ourselves. That's the whole point. You shouldn't have to fix a burned house just to sell it. If you have a fire damaged house in California, or you just want to know what your real options are, call or text us at 805-870-5749. Once again, that's 805-870-5749, or go to quickhomeoffers.com. It's a free, no obligation cash offer. And if selling to us isn't your best move, we'll tell you that too. And when you reach out to us, there's no call center or getting passed around. You speak directly with me, and I'll tell you straightforward if we're a good fit or not. Looking forward to speaking with you.